Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm bringing you my week 14 of Project Life, and for this one I'm using the November Citrus Twist Kit. Now this spread came together really quickly. I think because I was using my favourite colours and I did decide to try and keep it quite simple as well. So I've used a card up the top and that does say hello on it, but I do decide to cover that up. And then at the bottom I'm just using one of the papers, and I did decide to layer up a little tab. And then I'm going to use these gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, still want them in every single colour, just in case you're listening, Trina. We do keep getting them in different colours, but I need them in them all. I did decide to use these to sort of add title elements onto my spread. As much as I love these letters and I am so tempted to hoard them, I know that I have far too many alphabet stickers, even small ones, and therefore I do need to get them on my pages. So what I did was I decided to just pop a little title on this one saying Circus Tricks, because my daughters did go to the circus. But I think I only had one letter C left, so I just used one of them to as a template and just decided to chop the rest up. I've also got a big picture that my husband took on his phone. He was playing a game on his phone. I was like, I'll have a screenshot of that. Put that in Project Life. So I have popped that onto a sort of black and white stripe and just tucked a couple of labels in. But what I decided to do was just bring 3 little elements of peach onto this spread. So I have a strong and capable sticker at the bottom. I have Cozy on Up to Me on the picture with my eldest and my son. And then I'm just going to bring that little love up to the top of the picture of my nephew. Now I did decide that I needed to bring in that little bit of darker blue somewhere. So I did back the photo on the top. And then I am going to keep this sort of spread really simple. So I have a pinked circle punch, of which I'd punched a circle out and not used it on an earlier layout. So I did decide to include that up the top just to help that little sticker pop a little bit more. And then I wasn't quite sure what else it was that I was going to do. So I decided to add my journaling to my card, and then I thought, right, I need to just bring in the elements of those stickers again. So I decided to add the word excited. So this was when my nephew went to see Thomas the Tank Engine, and he was very excited. And then lastly, I just added this banner. This is from Kaiser, and it was in my Craft Stash Challenge. So I did manage to get one item on there. Apart from that, that is how I'll leave it. So I do try a few different things, but I do decide that I quite like the plain and the simple for this month. So I'm going to lift it up and show you a close-up. If you've got any questions over anything you've seen, please ask. If you like what you're watching, please hit the like button, and if you do want to see more, please hit subscribe. I try and get videos up a few times a week, and I will get back to you with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.